Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. Today we're continuing my declutter. We're up to pants. So this would be like jeans, shorts, pajama pants, leggings, not workout clothes. I've already done workout clothes separately, but just like regular leggings that I might wear under a dress or under, you know, a long shirt, that kind of thing. So I counted up, and from what I can tell, I think there's 33 items of clothing here. I'm assuming I'm probably going to get rid of maybe 6 or 7 things. So like usual, I've got my bins. Black, that's stuff I'm going to be donating, and the white one, that will be what I'm going to keep. So we're going to start with pajama pants, which are right here next to me. So this pair here, this is a pair of Zelda pajama pants. These I do want to keep. These are still in pretty good condition. They do have pockets because they're men's pajama pants, and so they actually do have pockets. So those I want to keep. Most of my pajama pants are usually Zelda related. These also have pockets. I basically just buy men's jammies. I get them at like Target, or sometimes Hot Topic will have like nice video game related pants. So these I want to keep. These are okay, but they're actually sort of short. They're like a cropped pant. I would be fine if they hit me at like the knees, but they sort of hit me at mid-calf. And there's elastic at the bottom, so it always feels like a little bit tight. So I think these I'm actually going to get rid of. They're in pretty terrible shape, so probably I'm going to use these as rags to clean something. No one needs those. Oh, and these are just another pair that I got relatively recently. These are still in pretty good shape. They also have pockets. I don't think I can have pajama pants that don't have pockets anymore. Oh, and these are my fleecy robot pants. I think these have sort of like traveled. These used to be my husband's, then I stole them from him because he didn't want them anymore. I wear these a lot in the winter over other pants if it's really cold, if I'm going outside and getting on the train. So I don't necessarily wear these in my house anymore, but I do want to keep these. They're part of my cold weather dealing with that nonsense. I actually just picked these up. These are from Macy's. These are some Nike Dri-Fit pants. These actually have pockets because they're for men. I was looking for a pair of like nice sweatpants that had like the smooth material on the outside but were fleecy on the inside, and that I could wear leggings underneath them, so like if I was walking back and forth between here and the subway, that my legs wouldn't get cold if I was going to the gym. So these I actually just picked up for this express purpose. So I think I'm going to keep these, and I'm going to get rid of these Polar Tech ones because these are not in very good shape anymore. They're getting a little frayed around the edges. Oh, so next are my like long flowy pants. I wear these in the summer. These are from Target. They're just black and white stretchy cottony pants. These, sadly, I love them very much, and I'm going to keep them for now, but the seams on the inner thigh split constantly. It's just the way this fabric is made. It's just not... The seams here were not made very well, so I have sewn these pants back together, I think 3 different times. Basically, as soon as these rip another time, I'm going to get rid of them. But I'm going to try to wear them one more time. And then this pair, this is a pair of silk long pants. These used to be my pirate pants. These are like my backup pirate pants for costume stuff, but I don't wear blue so much anymore. So these I decided to keep for just regular life. They're very comfortable. Because they're silk, they're a little bit delicate, although the seams on these are pretty good. I have torn another pair by this same brand. I bought them, they came from a Ren fair at a store called Bullseye. I think that their products are really beautiful, but the craftsmanship in some of the current pants just hasn't been as good, and a pair of pants I bought brand new last year tore within a month. And these are older and these are still fine, so I'm assuming that it must have just been some bad fabric or something. But I like these, but if I rip them, I won't be replacing them. So now we're getting into my cotton leggings. These were all from Victoria's Secret. They don't make these tights anymore. They were the best. The brand was called Moda International. They were the softest, most comfortable cotton tights. They had a little bit of stretch in them, but not too much. They wore like a dream, and unfortunately all of these are really old. They don't make them anymore, I can't replace them. But as I'm getting holes in them, I'm throwing them out. For a little while, Victoria's Secret started selling them under their own brand, and those were terrible. They ripped almost immediately. So any of the ones that has the Victoria's Secret name in the back, I don't think I'll be keeping any of those. Yeah, of all the Victoria's Secret leggings, both of the little cropped pairs, these are still fine, so I'm going to keep these two. These two I'm going to get rid of. They're not in good shape. And then the 3 that are remaining of my long tights, I will keep these for now, but this middle pair is not looking so great, so I need to keep an eye on that one. Just sort of the fabric sort of pilling a bit, but I will keep them for now. So getting rid of 2 out of the 7, keeping 5. These are an old pair of tights. This is from a brand called Effie's Heart. I got these, originally I got stuff from them off of ModCloth. They have the cutest little tights. They have little buttons on the bottom. But when I bought these, they were the wrong size, and I've just worn them anyway because they were so cute. But they're the wrong size, so they don't quite fit right. And I don't necessarily need to keep them anymore because, you know, they were always a little bit big, and frankly they're getting a little stretched out and a little worn, so I think these I'm going to get rid of too. And so these next two pairs of tights, these are both from Aerie, so they're the same thing. They're these high-waisted fold-over pants. They're so soft. I'm in love with these. I have two other pairs of these. They're in the laundry right now, so I do want to keep this lovely red pair. And then I'm also a big fan of this green pair. These have little pockets on the side. The pockets are not useful, but they're really cute and they're very soft. Oh, and then sort of my funky tights. So I've got these two pairs. I probably bought these on ModCloth, frankly, a million years ago. I think they still sell these, but I don't think they still sell this pattern. These I still want to keep. These are my favorite. I love the purple on the ankles. This pair, I think I still would like to keep them. Let me see if they have holes in them. No, they don't have holes in them, so these I still will keep for now. I don't wear them very often anymore, but I need to remember that they're in there, and I have too much stuff to see that, so that's good. And moving on to shorts. So I've only got like 4 pairs of shorts, which is not a huge number, I don't think. I don't know. Do people have lots of shorts? I find it almost impossible to find shorts that fit. So what I have is I have this lovely gray pair. These are from Anthropologie. I bought these on the sale rack. I actually found these, they were on the sale rack in December, so I assumed that somebody returned them off season, and that's why they got put on the sale rack, because they were like $20. They were my very favorite shorts, and the ones they make now are not made out of the same kind of material. These are a lot heavier and a lot stretchier, so I love these, but I wish that they still made the same one, but they just don't. It's just not the same fabric. It might be the same cut. These shorts actually, they were part of a romper, and I removed the top, and I wear the top a lot, and then I also have the shorts separately. But it was a good idea, but these shorts are actually kind of dumb, so those I'm not gonna keep. And then this pair, these are sort of like Bermuda length. I actually cut these from another pair of pants that were too tight in the calves, and they're great as shorts, so these I do want to keep. But this pair, this is sort of like a greenish khaki pair. These are also from Anthropologie. I don't like these. They're a little big, and they sort of bunch funny because they have pockets, but they're kind of useless pockets, but you can see the pockets through the fabric, so I don't want to keep these anymore. Alright, moving on to jeans. So I have 1 pair of jeans in the laundry, which I am keeping. They're my favorite pair, and then these are all the rest. All of my jeans are INC or ink, whatever you call it at Macy's. They're like a stretch denim. They're not really denim. They're not really jeans. they're like jean-like jigging legging things. Because they're made out of like stretchy material. I can't wear like a real jean without like elastic in it because it just does not fit, and it's not comfortable to wear all day. I love their skinny leg jeans. Those are my favorites. So these I'm gonna keep for sure. I don't like them quite as much in black, but I do like to have a black pair. I do use them on a regular basis. If I'm working at an event or something, it's good to have these. I also have a pair in gray. The gray ones are not perhaps the cutest or the most flattering, but they're good jeans and they're still in good shape, so I do want to keep them. They're trendy. So I have a black pair and a dark wash denim pair. These are just extras because whenever these go on sale on the Macy's website, which is every once in a while, you can sometimes get these. I think they originally retail for like 70 bucks. And I can get them for like $30 or $25 whenever they're clearancing out a particular color. So I always buy an extra pair whenever I throw out an old pair, because they do eventually wear out. Then I buy a new pair to keep in reserve. So I have 2 pairs of my dark denim out at one time, but I only keep 1 pair of the black pants out because I don't wear them as often. And then I have another pair for later. Because there's nothing worse than finding a pair of jeans in a size that you like that works for you and then realizing they don't make them anymore, and it's the worst. And moving on to dress pants. I don't really have a lot of dress pants because I generally wear dresses instead if I'm doing like an office event, or I'll wear like my black jeans. So I have this gray pair of dress pants in the sense that they're kind of made out of the same material, they just don't have like jeans pockets on them. We got little zippers on the ankles. They're from Macy's, it's like Maison Jewels. They're okay. They're just a couple years old at this point and they don't look so good. Should probably just invest in another pair of dress pants if I really feel that I need them, which I don't know that I do. So I'll let those go. These like colorful flower ones are from Anthropology. I love these. I actually forgot that I had them until I pulled these all out because they'd fallen behind the other stack of pants. So these I do want to keep. And then this pair, these are my corduroy pants. These are also from Anthro. Anthro pants can be so hit or miss. When they hit, I just wait until they go on sale because they always do, because there's always something about them that nobody likes, and like then I will get them. But like these are really nice. I do like these a lot. All right, let's see how I did. 8, so I got rid of 8 things. That's pretty good. That's more than I was expecting. And at least a couple of these things are definitely useful. Those are pretty much rags, but like a couple of these people could wear again, so I'll have some stuff to offer my friends. And otherwise, the rest of it's really just going to go to like, either I'm going to use it as a rag to clean something, or it's going to go to textile reclamation. I've also prepared a beautiful bed for my kitty. Anyway, I'm going to fold all the stuff behind me and I'm going to put that away, and I'll show you how it looks now. And here is all of my pants folded and put away, with the exception of my pajama pants. They're actually down here now in this drawer, so you can see them there. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please subscribe. Hopefully I'll be finishing up this declutter in another week or so. I've got to get this done before the end of January because I am going traveling, and I'm going to have to, you know, start packing all that stuff up soon. So I need to clear out all the stuff I don't want so I can look at the stuff I do want, so I'll know what to take with me. Anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!